Hey friends, nice to have my face back on here for a video. So today the conversation is around brand, and I'm going to teach you the 3 components necessary for your brand and where you can find those in your human design. So stick with me and let's play this little game. So we are all here to serve. We are all here to, I don't know if I really love the word serve. I don't know. I think we're here to honor ourselves. And in honoring ourselves, we just naturally assist and help others to better their lives. Okay. So I noticed that with human design getting trendier and trendier and trendier, there's a whole bunch of made up stuff that happens. And through that made up stuff, what we're doing is we're actually losing the transmission that Ra created for us. And that transmission, what is so important is words hold frequency. And because words hold frequency, when we change the words or we change the arrangements of the words, all of a sudden there is this different thing that's taking place, and it's actually not the purity of the system. So be very cautious when you are getting your information about human design. Where did they get the information from? And I'm going to be honest with you, I stick 100% to Ra's material. The other material that's out there through other teachers, it's not for me. It doesn't resonate with me. Very similar to the Bible. And, really leaning into the words that are written down in that scripture are so important. And the more we can go back to the original text versus all the translations of it, that's where we get the purity of the word. So that's why I stay with Ra's transmission. I stay with his vocabulary and I stick to it. Are there times where I will simplify it just so that you can grasp it? Yes. But the word is so important. So stay true to Ra's material if you want this transmission to work happily and gracefully through you. So what is brand and why do you need one? Well, first, a brand is not your logo, okay? It's actually you and the representation of your brand. So if we were to compile your brand, here are the 3 components that are so important. Number 1, okay? Your who. Who do you serve? So I did a video, I think it's called Marketing to Your Fractal or Selling to Your Fractal. I can't remember what I called it. And in there, that's who you serve. Okay, those are the people that are along your fractal line, and they definitely need you. And then the whole series about what you sell, those are all the solutions that you have to the problems that your fractal line has. So that's who you serve. Your fractal line of people are who you serve, and you find those people along your nodal trajectory. Number 2, this is your why. Why do you serve them? Well, there's 2 places in human design to find that. And when we combine the 2 of them, all of a sudden there is this beautiful synchronicity that works with your people, okay? First, it's the life work, your life work theme or your incarnation cross. So where do you find that? Of course, it's the sun and earth, personality and design. So that incarnation cross, and I did an entire series about that. I did all of the incarnation crosses using Ra's material and his word to share that word with you. Number 2, it's your profile, okay? So your why is created through your purpose of your life work theme, your incarnation cross, and your profile. Your profile is kind of like the how do you get it out there type thing. How do you get your purpose out there? I'm a 1-3. My purpose is contagion. So I have to research everything. And then I bring it to you, my tribe. I'm a 1-3. As I build my business, there's trial and error. I fail, I succeed. I fail, I succeed. I bring you that information. So that's why I do it. I have no other choice. I am completely choiceless in that. And then your story. how the who and the why merge to become what you do. Who I serve are also other 1-3s. They have all of these certifications, because that's what I've done. All of these certifications. They have all this solid foundation, right? And yet they feel very unstable because all of those certifications created golden handcuffs. Now what do I do, Leann? Now what do I do? Because I'm supposed to follow this certification. I'm supposed to follow this certification. I'm not supposed to cross the line here or cross the line there. I'm not quote unquote allowed to blend. Well, I'm going to be the first to tell you, all of those certifications are just human constructs to keep you confined. You are designed to take all of that material and create a solid foundation for yourself and your business, and then go out there and try and fail and succeed and try and fail and succeed. That's it. That's how you gain confidence. And that's my story. That's how I help people move into what it is that they are absolutely designed to then go out into the world and help their fractal line with. Now, one of the things that you also want to look at is your quarter. What quarter is your incarnation cross? Where does it reside? So I also have a video on here somewhere about quarters. So you want to go into there. I went into an introduction because you want to know, where does your incarnation cross sit? Mine sits in bonding and duality. So when I create bonds with people, that's why I really do this human design, this whole channel, this YouTube channel, is when I connect with someone, they book a call with me, they book a coaching program with me, they jump into a session or a reading with me. They feel like there's already a bond. And I also feel that because there's no resistance. They already feel like they're my friend because they start every video off, hey friend, because you are a friend. If you're here, you are in my ecosystem. And when you and I get to connect, whether that be across the screen or in a workshop or whatever it is, on the street, all of a sudden there's this connection immediately that happens. And that's why I show up, so that connection can be there. So when people sit on the other side of my screen, they're already my friend. So I can jump in and start serving them, bang, so quickly because they're in my ecosystem. So go into the quarter where your incarnation cross is. Again, there's a video here somewhere in my channel talking about the introduction to quarters. So let's just recap. What are these 3 things that are your brand? Okay, your brand. Number 1, your who. Who do you serve? They're along your fractal line. 2, your why. Well, that's your incarnation cross and your profile. 3, your story. Why do you show up and serve these people? What is going on? Are you here to bond with them like I am? Are you here to transform them? Are you here to create forms and systems for them? Are you here to initiate them into something brand new? So you want to lean into all of this. Again, trendy human design. Oh man, there is some crazy ass shit happening online about branding, personal branding. And it has people so damn confused because it's not even anywhere close. It's not even anywhere close. Okay. So lean into those 3 aspects of your design. Take all of the keynotes, right? Grab all of that information. Sit with it. That's what this is all about. This is a contemplative process and an experiment. Now you take all that information and now all of a sudden it starts to work on you and churn on you. And you're like, oh, that is my purpose. That is actually what I'm actually doing. And you see it through a new light because design is working through you. It's the resistance of the conditioned mind that tells you, go do it like her, go do it like her, go do it like her. I am watching in so many Facebook groups, and there is massive amounts of confusion because there's no solid foundation. It's a whole bunch of made up words, incorrect languaging that shifted the frequency, which creates more confusion, which creates a whole bunch of people, going, oh, design totally sucks, or it feels like a cult. No, when you lean into it and you lean into the correctness of it and you lean into the generosity of it, changes the way you see the world. So you are your brand, especially if you are a coach, a consultant, an author, a speaker, massage therapist, psychologist, maybe you're a dog walker, maybe you're a cat sitter, maybe you're a home sitter, whatever it is that you show up to serve your fractal line. It's your brand. And it's all built right into the design. So take all of that languaging, okay? Take all of those words and lean deeper into your own brand, okay? So friends, I also want to introduce a couple things to you. I've had so many people reach out and ask me, where is the primary health system videos that I did? There was over 5,000 views on those 5 videos. So I was really excited and happy to get that material out. And then guess what? I got a copyright strike. So I'm going to do a video about that so that you know that I didn't take them down just because I didn't take them down at all. It wasn't me. And the other thing that I wanted to bring to you is that I am releasing a brand new product here shortly. I'm going to release it to my list first, and then I'm going to bring it to you guys. So if you want to get on my list, definitely grab a chart from me, whether that be an advanced chart or a business chart. Get on my list so that you can get on that newsletter. And 2023 is going to be big for manifestation for everybody, okay? So you want to lean in, play with your brand. That's why I was here teaching you about that, okay? Go into all the videos that I just uploaded, and there's a few more still coming that can really help you lean into the mastery and the knowing of who you are, so that no matter what happens in the world, you have more confidence. You get paid more because you absolutely step into the career that's yours. You earn more in your business because you're stepping in and being you. You are absolutely showing up for your family because you're no longer caught up in all of the confusion. You are stepping in and being you, okay? If you want to connect with me personally, go to my website and work with Leann. You can do that. We can have consultations, sessions, readings, analysis, coaching, whatever it is. If you want to connect with me, I highly encourage that you get support, and the support that actually honors Ra's material, okay? I'm not kidding. You want to honor Ra's material. Again, it's just like the Bible and scripture. If you change the words, it all changes, okay? And when we manipulate words, we manipulate the experience of it. Okay. Thanks, friend. I love it. I really appreciate being here with you guys. This upcoming year is going to be like pure magic, and I cannot wait. All right. Talk to you later.